Welcome back to Slow English. I'm Wahib, and today I'm not just going to teach you English. I'm going to sit with you like a friend, like someone who truly wants you to grow. Let me ask you something very honestly. Do you want to speak English, but you feel something stops you? Do you understand a little, but when it's time to speak, your mind becomes blank? Do you feel nervous, maybe even a little embarrassed? If yes, then listen carefully, because today I'm not going to give you big grammar rules. I'm not going to confuse you with difficult words. I'm going to give you something powerful, something real. Small habits that can change your English and your confidence step by step. Most people fail in English not because English is hard, but because they try to do everything at once. Grammar, vocabulary, pronunciation, fluency, everything together. Your brain says, I can't handle this, so you stop. But today we change this. We go slow, but we go real. Lesson 1. Speak 5 simple sentences daily. You cannot learn speaking without speaking. It is a skill, not just knowledge. Just like driving, you can watch 100 videos, but until you sit on the bike, you won't learn. Speak 5 sentences every day. Not 50, not 20, just 5. Say it loudly because your brain learns through repetition, but your mouth learns through speaking. Lesson 2. Learn 10 simple words daily. You don't need big words. You need useful words. Words you use in daily life like eat, go, come, like, want, feel, make, see, work, play. Don't just learn words. Use them. Lesson 3. Listening. The silent power. Thinking is important, yes, but listening is what builds your speaking. Think about a child. They don't learn grammar first, they listen. Start with simple, slow English. Listen, pause, repeat. Lesson 4. Reading, your silent teacher. Reading doesn't shout or force. It changes your brain. Start with something easy like short stories or small paragraphs. Read out loud to engage your eyes, mouth, and ears. Lesson 5. Thinking in English. Fluent speakers don't translate, they think directly in English. Retrain your brain with small thoughts. I am sitting. I am drinking water. I feel tired. Lesson 6. Writing. Your personal practice zone. When you write, you slow down your thinking, you see your mistakes, and you understand structure. Write about your day. I wake up at 7. I eat breakfast. Lesson 7. Speak with real people. Real confidence comes when you speak with someone. Start small. Hello, how are you? Speak slowly so your brain stays calm. Lesson 8. Watch smartly, not randomly. Use the shadowing technique. Watch one line, pause, repeat, and try to copy the tone and style. Lesson 9. Make English a daily habit. 10 minutes daily is more powerful than 2 hours once a week. Never break the chain. Lesson 10. Confidence. Your final weapon. No one speaks perfect English. Stop waiting for perfection. Start now. Speak now. Your words create your mindset, and your mindset creates your confidence. If you are serious, don't just watch. Commit. Practice daily. Grow daily.